Hello everyone, and welcome back to the latest installment of our vlog. And I'm gonna stop you right now. If you haven't watched the before of what this house used to look like, go back a couple of episodes. We do the full shebang, from the drone footage to the interior walkthrough, because once we go inside, you're gonna be shocked and amazed at the transformation that took place here. We're sitting on a half acre in North Syosset, Berry Hill Elementary, Southwood Middle, Syosset High School. Good taxes that I've already started grieving. A fully custom, rebuilt, brand new home. Sewer, water, including from the street, gas, all new plumbing, all new electric, mechanicals, HVAC, windows, siding, roofing, and the list goes on. Let's address the obvious elephant in the room. This is Southwoods Road, it's a double yellow. The high school and the middle school are this way. So for a few hours a day, it's a little bit busy on this road, but we did a nice big circular driveway, wrapped it all the way around, giving you lots of parking when you're entertaining or just in general moving day in and day out, and a very easy way to pull in and out the driveway. But once you pass this beautiful wall of evergreen trees, you've got a gorgeous half acre, very unique custom build. Now let's go inside so I can show you what we got going on. As soon as you walk into this home, you can tell it's not your typical cookie cutter center hall colonial. And going back to that point about the previous videos that we made, you very rarely get to see the middle part of the renovation. You see it before sometimes, maybe a few pictures, but not a lot of detail, and this beautiful afterward. We don't really know what happened behind the walls. It's very important to know who did your renovation and to what standard they were held to. And we had over 10 inspections over the course of this build. So if you go back to one episode in between the before and the after, you'll actually see exactly what this home looked like before we closed up the walls. The new electric, the new plumbing, the new insulation, all the framing we did, and so on. So as soon as you walk in, you see this is not your typical central hall colonial. We've got bedrooms this way, bedrooms upstairs. As we make our way through this formal living space, you'll notice we have high ceilings, nice open sight lines. We've got a formal dining space over here. You can make it a sitting area. You'll see as you make your way towards the back, it's a very flexible layout. This right here is the main attraction. Beautiful open concept kitchen. I did a dark blue island, quartz countertops, KitchenAid appliances. You've even got a workstation right there for working from home or a command desk. All your junk drawer stuff can end up somewhere in that drawer as well. We did gold fixtures, actually a brushed brass, matched the faucet, the soap dispenser. I'm just obsessed with how nice and open this floor plan is. We've got sliders going out to the backyard. And this family room right here is what really made the house. The original floor plan called for a front to back garage, which really didn't make a whole lot of sense. We bought this house actually with a bunch of open permits, and we turned this into a huge family room with high ceilings, a gas Regency P36 fireplace. Just picture yourself entertaining, TV on the wall. You can see it from the island, you can see it from the family room, from the kitchen where you're prepping, from the backyard sliding doors. Just the perfect spot for TV and a fireplace. And the garage is actually right through this way as well. We've got about a 1.5 car garage, storage above the garage as well. Lots of storage all throughout, tucked out throughout this house. Now, before we head that way, I just gotta quickly show you what you're working with as far as entertaining out here. You've got a half acre property. And this just becomes an extension of your living space. We've got over 200-foot deep property, fully fenced, pavers, patio, sprinklers, and this nice walkway that goes down to the basement where we've got room for a future bathroom and over 1,000 square feet of finished living space. Now back to this kitchen, which is so flexible. I love that you can actually even put a nice big dining table over here. You've definitely got room for 4 seats at the island. And it just feels so wide open, so much counter space, so much light. And through this hallway, we've got that desk that I mentioned. We've got a pantry also. So if you thought we had enough cabinet and storage space, we're actually gonna be putting shelving in here as well. We did 2 laundry hookups in this house, one in this closet right here, and one downstairs. Now we've got a coat closet here. We've got this gorgeous Powder room, we actually made it a full bath because we have shared bedrooms here as well. I really went crazy with this bathroom. We did a herringbone Siberian marble. Everything's been sealed properly because I did it myself. I literally stood here and made sure it was done properly. Then that Siberian marble makes its way all the way up to the ceiling throughout that bathroom, custom tiled shower. So that powder room also, that people are gonna be the ones that people see, I really went nuts on this one. Now, through this hallway, we've got a ton of cool features. We've got glass doors, this really nice work from home space with a double window. We got every single room, including the living room, family room, and these bedrooms are all pre-wired for TV and internet. We're also pre-wired for cameras outside. We've got one bedroom over here, and this used to be the old primary suite. So what we did was we kept it as an ensuite. It's got a full bath with a custom tiled shower, closet. We were able to get the ceilings up here and here to give it a nice big open feel. So this was the old primary suite and now is our ensuite. Let's make our way upstairs where we have the rest of those bedrooms. Let's make our way right into the new primary suite. This was the real main additional square footage that was added to this house, which is why I believe the taxes will also remain favorable over the next few years. Now we've got 3 full-size egress windows overlooking a completely private wooded half-acre property. We've got custom closets on the way for the walk-in closet. And check out this beautiful bath. Dark slate floors, really nice porcelain tile shower with a custom built-in soap niche, and all Kohler fixtures throughout. We also got 2 additional bedrooms on this floor and this really nice full bath with this textile sort of textured porcelain tile on the wall and this really fun porcelain tiled floor. Once again, with the black fixtures, it'll be a lot of fun for a kid's bath up here. We've got about 3,000 square feet between the first floor and the second floor of living space. And down here, we added another 1,000 square feet of high quality finished space. Now let me talk about some of the things that we did to make sure you'll have decades of trouble-free operation down here. Number 1, closed cell spray foam throughout this entire basement. The crawl spaces and everything else, it's all conditioned space. Gonna help to keep humidity down, keep thermal envelope of this entire basement. Secondly, brand new water service. 1-inch water service from the street. You can actually still see the patch in the road. Number 3, we chopped the floor, and if you go back to our previous video, this trench was still open. We chopped up the entire floor. Every bit of waistline from the street throughout this entire house is brand new. I absolutely despise the connotation of a quick flip. This house was thoroughly rebuilt from the foundation up through the attic. Now follow me this way. We've got a utility closet right there. We've got a second laundry down here. We've got a door to the backyard. And in that corner over there, we've made some accommodations already for a full bath. So whenever you're ready, you can chop up the floor, put in an injector pump. We've already got water over there, waistline, and electric. Let's just go through this backyard one more time because there's so much to talk about back here. We fully fenced this property. And just imagine how much space you really have to entertain. That's about a 350 square foot patio. We've got room for a pool right here. And all the trees that I cleared, I kept these 5 because they're just 3 gorgeous oak trees and 2 beautiful red maples. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video tour of our beautiful build here in North Syosset. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. And if you like content like this, I'm on Instagram creating content every single day. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a great day.